Welcome to Best Choice. The best hair clippers is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to achieve a professional-looking haircut at home, offering unparalleled convenience and cost savings compared to frequent salon visits, ensuring you can maintain your desired style with precision and ease, making it a worthwhile investment for your grooming routine. Number 5. Wahl Rechargeable Cordless Haircutting and Trimming Kit. Introducing the Wahl Rechargeable Cordless Grooming Kit. It's designed for all your hair and body grooming needs, offering ultimate flexibility. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation for easy maneuvering. It provides a powerful and consistent cut every time. This all-in-one tool is perfect for haircuts, maintaining longer beards, and full body grooming. Achieve a clean look with ease. Experience precision cutting with its high-quality blades. It ensures a smooth and even trim for various lengths and styles. The rechargeable battery offers long-lasting performance, so it's always ready when you are. Get a professional finish at home. This is the Model 79434, a reliable choice for your grooming routine. It combines performance with user-friendly design. What we like. This one offers incredible flexibility with both corded and cordless use, making it perfect for any grooming situation. It's designed for comprehensive body grooming, handling everything from head to toe. If you're looking for a versatile tool that can tackle longer beards and all your body grooming needs, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The clippers are very sharp and cut hair smoothly. The battery life is excellent, lasting for multiple haircuts on a single charge. It comes with a variety of attachments for different hair lengths and styles. Number 4. Novah Professional Hair Clippers for Men. Introducing the Novah Professional Hair Clippers, designed for the modern man. Achieve barber-quality haircuts with ease and precision, right in your own home. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, giving you complete control for intricate styling and fades. This professional-grade set is perfect for both clippers and trimmers. It delivers exceptional performance, making it ideal for barbers and home users alike. Say goodbye to uneven cuts. This kit provides everything you need for a clean, sharp haircut, ensuring a polished look with every use. Elevate your grooming routine with this comprehensive hair cutting kit. It's the perfect tool for maintaining your style and achieving professional results effortlessly. What we like. Experience professional barber-level results right at home with this set. It's specifically engineered for creating seamless fades, a hallmark of modern haircuts. If you're a barber or aspire to achieve those sharp, blended fades, this cordless clipper is your go-to tool. What people say. They feel solid in the hand and have that professional weight and build that immediately tells you they're made well. The motor is strong and cuts through hair smoothly without pulling, and the blade stays sharp and precise. The trimmer is great for edges and detailing, super clean lines with very little effort. The battery life is also surprisingly good, lasting through multiple cuts without needing a recharge. They came charged and ready to go. The packaging was really nice and clean, in a sturdy box that could be used to store the set. Came with everything you'd need to start doing home or professional haircuts. It's super quiet, and the cordless aspect is really convenient. Number 3. Pet Grooming Kit, Low Noise Paw Trimmer. Many pets get stressed by loud grooming tools. Our clippers use quiet technology to keep them calm, making grooming faster and easier for everyone. This kit includes multiple trimmer heads and a nail grinder. It has everything you need for full-body grooming and nail care for your furry friends. It's lightweight and portable, perfect for grooming on the go. Clean it easily under running water after use. A quick 5-hour charge provides 90 minutes of continuous use. Say goodbye to battery replacements and tangled wires. With guided combs, you can achieve the perfect trim length. It ensures a safe, relaxing, and excellent grooming experience for your pet. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation. The lightweight, ergonomic design makes it easy to handle and reach every spot. What we like. Designed with your pet's comfort in mind, this kit features whisper-quiet technology to reduce stress during grooming sessions. It includes multiple trimmer heads and a nail grinder for a full-body makeover. If you have a pet that gets anxious with loud grooming tools or need a comprehensive kit for both fur and nails, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The clippers cut well and didn't pull her hair, and because it is so light and the slender shape fit so well in my hand, I was able to maneuver easily and get a close trim. It's very quiet, which helps keep dogs and cats calm, and the cordless rechargeable design makes it easy to use. These clippers don't scare my boys with the noise. They work well and they are super easy all over their body without any hassle. The battery life is amazing. Number 2. Novah Professional Hair Clippers, Gold. Introducing the Novah Professional Hair Clippers. Achieve barber quality haircuts and fades with this essential grooming tool. Enjoy the convenience of a cordless design. This allows for effortless maneuverability and a seamless grooming experience anywhere you go. Master the art of fading with our specialized kit. It's designed for intricate haircuts and clean lines, giving you ultimate control. Crafted with professional barbers in mind, this set delivers exceptional performance. It ensures a precise and satisfying haircut every time. This is more than just a clipper, it's a complete haircutting solution. Elevate your grooming routine with its powerful and efficient performance. Make a statement with its stunning gold finish. Not only does it perform exceptionally, but it also looks sophisticated in your grooming arsenal. What we like. Elevate your grooming experience with this premium, gold-finished clipper. It delivers barber-grade precision for those sharp, clean lines and effortless fades. If you appreciate a touch of luxury and demand top-tier performance for professional-looking haircuts, this is the one to consider. What people say. Comes with everything you need for a solid haircut. This was my first time cutting my own hair, and the included tools made the process much easier. Very quiet and sharp. Haircut was finished in less than 10 minutes. I appreciate the fact that it came with a new cape and oil as well. Now I don't need to purchase them separately. The adjustable sizing as well as number of guards work well for creating a good side fade. The battery on these are insane as well. I've been using these quite a bit for about 2 months now and the battery is still close to 70% charged. Haven't needed to charge them yet. Number 1. Pro Beard Trimmer for Men. Introducing the ultimate grooming tool for men. Achieve a clean and precise look with this professional-grade beard trimmer. Its zero-gap T-blade design allows for incredibly close cuts. Effortlessly create sharp lines and detailed styles for your beard and mustache. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation. This trimmer is rechargeable, ensuring it's always ready when you need it for a quick touch-up or a full groom. This is more than just a beard trimmer, it's a complete grooming kit. It's perfect for trimming your beard, mustache, and even body hair. Achieve salon-quality results at home. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver for any styling need. Looking for a gift for the man who has everything? This electric hair clipper is a practical and thoughtful present for any occasion. What we like. Achieve ultra-close shaves and intricate detailing with its zero-gap T-blade. This tool is perfect for creating sharp lines and cleaning up edges on beards and mustaches. If you're focused on precision grooming, especially for beard shaping, edging, and maintaining a clean look, this cordless trimmer is essential. What people say. The clippers are very sharp and cut hair smoothly. The battery life is excellent, lasting for multiple haircuts on a single charge. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold, making it easy to maneuver. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.